becoming a member of the Naval Special Operations Group, or NAVSOG, the highly specialized elite force of the Philippine Navy, requires mastery of tactical operations, including sabotage, psychological, and unconventional warfare.
Actually, the NAVSOG, we have 472 personnel. At itong personnel na to ay they are highly trained personnel. Dahil to sa the way kung paano sila tinitrain, they are trained to survive any kind of terrain, any kind of weather. Sabi nga natin, it is about 8 months, more or less 8 months of training na talagang ang matitirang matibay.
C-130 rolling down the street.
Mayroong 4 na specialization na tinitrain nila. Yung isa ay yung SEAL Team Operator. They are the main force ng NAVSOG. Sila yung nagkakandak ng direct action. And then mayroon ring tinitrain rin doon sa Explosive Ordnance Disposal. Ito naman yung nag-render safe doon sa mga unexplosive ordnance or mga improvised explosive devices. At mayroon din namang tinitrain na special boat sa mga special boat operations. Ito namang mga special boat na to ay mainly sila yung ginagamit upang i-insert or i-extract yung SEAL teams natin, yung main force natin. And then, mga divers natin, they are trained for open circuit, closed circuit, at saka yung deep sea diving natin. So basically, ang NAVSOG ay yun yung mga specialized skills ng NAVSOG na kung saan ay dito tayo ginagamit ng mga naval forces natin.
And in order to become a full-fledged SEAL, or a combatant specialized in sea, air, and land operations, a candidate must subsist a series of extreme physical and mental exhaustion.
So, yung number 1 na pinoprovide na training dito is bago ka maging member ng SEAL team ng NAVSOG is basic underwater demolition SEAL course. Then after BADS is the SEAL qualification training. Sa BADS, focus talaga siya sa physical saka yung mental development para pagdating sa SQT. More on more on skills na yung dine-develop and yung leadership skills ng bawat isa sa member ng class.
Dreaming of being a SEAL is easy. Living it is hard. It's 10 months of physical refinement to the point of pushing yourself to the brink of mental annihilation.
19, tumayo ka 19.
Every day, nag-start sila 0400 or 4 a.m. Then, nag-start sila, bago mag-start yung activity nila, physical training is mag-pray muna yung mga estudyante para magpasalamat sa mga araw-araw na pinagdadaanan nila, na nalalampasan nila to. During motivation phase, inaabot sila minsan ng 1200 or alas 12 ng gabi para sa preparation for Hell Week. Sa training na yon, wala silang tulugan for 1 week.
Training is rigorous and highly selective. Designed to foster an expertise in SEAL operations, special boat operations, marksmanship in the field, underwater operations, explosives ordnance disposal, and airborne operations.
Sa major accomplishment, ma'am, sa mga hinawakan kong units, so siguro masasabi ko isang major accomplishment yung Basilan, yung sa pwede akong magbanggit ng yung during na inoperate namin si Furiji Indama and his Nilon Napilon. Pero ang pinaka-major accomplishment na pinakamagandang na-accomplish namin, ma'am, is yung Zamboanga. Masasabi ko, ma'am, na major accomplishment siya kasi if number 1 yung yung NAVSO 6 namin, kung hindi nila naharang doon pa lang sa dagat mismo, siguro mapasok yung buong Zamboanga, makukuha yung Zamboanga. So, dahil nandun yung NAVSO 6 namin, so bago sila nakapasok, napa-engage muna yung dalawang boat namin. Namatayan kami ng isa doon, then 6 ang wounded, bago sila nakapenetrate. Nung bago sila nakapenetrate nila yung Zamboanga, yung shoreline, na-alarm na yung Task Force Zamboanga. Then, na-inform na rin yung West Mincom, which is saan kami under.
First, we will conduct recon.
Lahat ng bagay ginagawa ng SEAL, dapat may plano yan. So, may plan A ka, may plan B kung maaari, may plan C, plan D ka. So, unang ginagawa, planning muna. So, yung planning namin, nagbe-base din yun sa intel na binibigay sa amin. So, kung maganda yung intel fed sa amin, maganda rin yung plano na mabubuo namin. So, after nyan, kung may plano na kami, present namin yung plano dun sa taas, kung approve sa kanila, so, ibibigay na sa amin yung lakad. Next na gagawin naman namin yan, rehearsal kung ano yung gagawin dun sa area, dun sa operation, tapos kasama na dun preparation ng gamit, lahat ng gamit, mag-test fire, yung sa rig, check lahat, comms, so lahat. So, sa isang team, lahat may designation sa preparation. May nag-prepare ng comms, may nag-prepare ng supply, na lahat ng kailangan mo sa lakad, may mga ano na yan, may mga designation na yan dun sa team.
As tough as it may seem, NAVSOG strives to complete its mission of molding elite soldiers with top-of-the-line equipment and support.
So this is our technical diving equipment for deep sea. So dito sa NAVSOG, yung mga equipment namin, we are capable also na i-mix na namin kung anong mga mix gas na kailangan namin. Dito, kami na mismo ang gumagawa at kung ano yung depth, ano yung lalim, gaano kami katagal ang kailangan doon, anong gas ang kailangan namin, kami na ang gumagawa. So ito ang aming portable recompression chamber. Ito ang ginagamit namin during mission na may mga technical or deep sea diving kami. So ito ang aming unang dinadala para in case of emergency na malayo kami doon, lalo na yung mga dive site na mga walang recompression chamber facilities. So ito yung ginagamit namin para ipasok kung halimbawa karoon ng emergency o nagkasakit ng mga divers namin, pinapasok namin dito and then ita-transport namin from sa dive site papunta rito sa recompression chamber na dito talaga namin sila iti-treat. Ito yung recompression chamber, twin lock. Dito sa labas, nandito yung deep gauge. Nagpa-present ito kung gaano nakalalim ng diver dun sa loob. And then we have the control communication and control panel. May mga lighting sa baba. And then this is the communication. Through here, dito pinapasok ang mga pasyente papunta dun sa loob. And then, pag ready na sila sa loob, merong mga bibs or oxygen bibs doon sa loob para gagamitin nila during treatment. Pag nakapasok na sila doon, isasara yung inner lock. Dalawa yung pinto nito, merong inner saka outer lock. So, pag sinara yung inner lock or sasara siya ng ganito, so ang recompression chamber is ready na para mag-pressurize or isi-simulate niya yung diving sa labas, sa actual na dive at saka gagawin dito.
It could have been fate. It could have been a calling. But while destiny favors the prepared, one thing separates the successful from the rest: determination. Several reasons push SEAL recruits to take on the challenge. But what differs each from the other is the drive to make it through.
Almost lahat ng training every phase hindi ko makalimutan. Sabi nga nila, the only easy day was yesterday. Siguro yung pinakamadali lang yung kahapon lang yung dating na training namin. So, mas mahirap pa yung darating pa. So, dito hindi ka pwedeng mag-relax. Kailangan everyday ready pa rin yung motivation mo sa sarili mo. So, kailangan parati ka pa rin magpalakas, Kung nakakapag 100 push-up ka ngayon, bukas dapat 101 na.
Yung Hell Week, 1 week na walang tulugan, mahirap talaga siya kasi hindi kayo matutulog at talagang 24/7 na gising kayo. Tapos meron kayong ina-undergo ng mga evolutions tulad ng distance paddling, yung rock portage, doon kayo sa may bit-bit kayong rubber boats. Doon talaga ako nahirapan. Sa isip ko noon, wala nang atrasan, wala nang balikan. Hinayaan ko na lang kung ano man yung ibibigay na activity sa amin ngayong araw, tiniis ko na lang. Talagang in-overcome ko. Hanggang sa di na malayan, parang namulat na lang ako na tapos na pala. Lagi kong iniisip na kaya mahirap kasi elite kasi yung pinasok ko. Tapos, iniisip ko na nandito na ako at in the first place, naka-6 na buwan na ako, so bakit pa ako ayaw? Sayang yung pinaghirapan ko.
There's no golden ticket for civilians wanting to join the military. Neither is there an easy way for soldiers advancing themselves at all stages of their military career. It's either you have what it takes or you don't. And in an extreme environment, like the Navy SEAL Training School, there's no room for comfort. After all, it does no less than maintain a nation's strong and capable maritime force.